Okay, this is a problem involving triangles. We know that triangles are three-sided objects, true? Cool. Well, there is a special type of triangle called a right-angled triangle. It's called a right-angled triangle because it has this special shape, and we signify that special shape with a square, and this is said to have 90 degrees. Okay. Now, with this special type of triangle called the right angled triangle, it further has a special property where this side that is opposite this right angle, called the hypotenuse, and then you have these two sides here. You can call them A and B. It has a special property. Let's call this hypotenuse C. Okay, a special property where the length C squared is going to be equal to the length of A squared plus B squared. And that is true for every triangle that has one of the angles as 90 degrees, as you see right here. Okay, so how do we test right angle triangle? Um, test these, no, test if these are right angle triangles. Well, usually the way it works is that this hypotenuse is usually the longest length, and then we can square, like for A, we will have 3, we can have 3 squared plus 4 squared. Is that equal to 7 squared? 3 squared is 3 times 3, right? 4 squared is 4 times 4. 7 squared is 7 times 7. Multiplication tables. Plus, so this is 9 plus 16. Is that equal to 49? No. 9 plus 16 is 25. That is not equal to 49. So that means A is not a right angle triangle. Okay, we try with B. With B, we have the shortest lengths are the 8, so the 8 squared. The other short length is 15, 15 squared. We're going to test if that is equal to 17 squared. 8 squared is 64, 15 squared, that's 15 times 15, 5, 2, 75, 225, and 17 squared, 9, 4, 0, 7, 1, 9, 8. So that's 189. Does that look like it's equal? No. We're going to have 64 plus this number, 225 and 64. That's 980, 289. So we have 289, and that is not equal to 189. So B is also not a right angle triangle. Let's look at C. For C, they have the shortest lengths are 6. So say 6 squared. The next shortest one is 8. So 8 squared. Let's see if that's equal to 9 squared. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. 9 squared is 81. Okay, 36 plus 64. That's 100. That's not equal to 81. So it's not C, it's not B, and it's not A. Could it be D? Let us try. So for D, we have 9 and 12 are the shortest ones. So that's 9 squared plus 12 squared. Let's see if it's equal to 13 squared. 9 squared is 81. 12 squared is 144. 13 squared is 169. Okay, so does 141 plus 81, that's 5. And this is also not it. That's also not it. What a bad question. They couldn't even give you one of them. So none of them are right angle triangles because none of them follow this rule of c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. But let me give you an example of one that is. Okay. One that is would be where you have 3, 4, and 5. Test it. So we have 3 squared plus 4 squared. That should be equal to 5 squared. 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. Is 9 plus 16 equal to 25? Yes, it is. So this is a right angle triangle. That's an example of a right angle triangle. Okay, hope this helps.